Hi guys, welcome back. This is Stan here with you. Hope you're all having a great day today. I ordered few parts online for my Esteem and they've just arrived after the lockdown. So let's open them up right now. So the first item is a door weather strip that's supposed to drain the water from the sides of the door. So this cost around 260 rupees including shipping. So this is how it looks. So this is the door weather strip. Okay. Yeah, and the second item is the 1.3 liter badging that comes on the exterior of the VXI model. I lost mine, so I ordered this. I ordered two of these. It cost around, I think, 20-30 rupees, I'm not sure. And I also ordered the Esteem badging that comes on the steering wheel. I lost mine obviously, so I ordered that again. These are all OEM genuine parts from Maruti. The Esteem badging actually cost 52 rupees including shipping. And finally I got this right hand side door garnish. This is the garnish that comes outside the ORVM control lever. So this cost around 120 rupees. So now it's time to install all these parts onto the car. The weather strip starts from here and goes all the way till the back. It's supposed to prevent the water from seeping in. So this portion is torn off. Even there's lots of damage around here. So let's install that first. So as you can see here, this portion is all damaged due to rust. I need to clean and then install the weather strip. So as you can see in this portion, there's a lot of mud and dust. You really need to clean that off first because otherwise the rust acceleration will be pretty fast. So that is why it is imperative that you have to clean this thoroughly. There's a lot of mud and muck here due to the rainwater. And if you see on the under portion here, it's rusted pretty badly. So I'll need to sand this off and paint this as well before I put the rubber strip onto it. Likewise here too, I've done the cleaning on the top portion. There's not much rust here, but there is some rust around this portion. So I need to sand it down and paint it as well. So as you can see, I've sanded it down with the P100 sandpaper and then I've painted it with metal paint. I actually did not worry about color matching with the body paint because this comes actually inside the rubber strip, so it doesn't really matter what color you paint. It should just be a metal paint. So while we wait for the paint to dry up, we'll install all the other parts in the vehicle. So first we'll go with this garnish that's supposed to come here. So there was some rust also in this side mirror area. So only after I removed it I could find out this rust. So I painted even this rust area right now. So we'll wait for it to dry and then we'll install the side mirror. So this is probably my most favorite part which I want to install. That is this Esteem logo onto the steering wheel. So first we'll have to use an alcohol swab to wipe this portion off clean. Then we'll install this Esteem logo onto the steering wheel. As you can see here, I have the Esteem logo installed on the steering wheel. It looks awesome right now. This is actually an OEM sticker, so you can actually see and feel the quality of this emblem. Okay, so next we have this 1.3 liter emblem. I actually ordered two of these, thinking that originally we had one on the right and one on the left. But the truth is that this 1.3 liter emblem was only there on the left hand side, that is the passenger side. It is never there on the right hand side, so I don't think I'll be installing this on the right side. I just want to maintain the originality of the car, so I'm going to just install this 1.3 liter emblem on the left hand side. So let's go do that. So the paint is actually dry to touch, so now we can actually install the weather seal. So let's get ahead with it. You need to twist and turn this part here to open it, and then you can insert it. So as you can see, the weather strip is a perfect fit. There's some looseness here. Okay, otherwise apart from that, it's perfectly fitting. It's a perfect fit. And also the garnish is fitted. It's working perfectly. The mirror can be rotated freely now. Yeah guys, so that's it for the DIY. It was pretty simple and easy. I only took more time while I found out some rust on the body panel. So I had to remove the rust, sand it down and then repaint it. I could have also ignored this rust and installed the parts over it, but then obviously I wouldn't have any peace of mind. And one of the reasons why I did this DIY was because initially when I had gone to my friendly neighborhood garage, he had told me that this weather seal strip actually costed 2000 rupees, and that's why I had ignored and delayed replacing this rubber strip. But in reality this rubber strip cost only 200 rupees, including transport it's just 260 rupees. So it is something that I have ignored accidentally because of wrong information given by my mechanic. Because of that there was a lot of leak around the body panels, and all those portions had got rusted over the years. Something I could have avoided if I had replaced this weather strip few years back. So that is one mistake I did, and that's why I wanted to inform you guys also about it, so that you don't repeat the same mistake. It's just so cheap. It's so cheap to buy it online, and all these parts I had purchased it from a website called Boodmo. I'll leave the link of it in the description below so that you guys can purchase if you want. So that's it from my end. Thanks for watching. If you like the vlog, please do hit the like button. Please don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, this is Stan signing out. Bye bye.